You need precise, strong, and reliable welds, but what is the best welding technique for your product? EB Industries has been answering that question for 60 years, providing precision welding services for companies with demanding, advanced welding requirements. Many of our customers come to us for welding expertise where the weld is mission critical, such as in the aerospace, defense, medical, energy, semiconductor, and automotive industries. EB Industries provides a one-stop solution offering the full spectrum of welding technologies. Whether your application calls for high-end electron beam welding, laser hermetic sealing, or TIG welding, we have the tools and staff expertise to apply just the right solution to your specific project. Because we provide a full range of welding solutions, we focus on the best approach for each project, rather than pushing a specific technology just because we offer it. If you require an ultra-clean, precise weld with minimal heat impact on surrounding material, or if you must join dissimilar metals, electron beam welding is the best solution. Do you have high volume requirements and need pinpoint accuracy for welding thin materials and small components? Our laser beam welding will satisfy those needs. Maybe you have a large, complex structure? Our joints difficult to access. Will you need to fill a large gap with a weld or form a sheet metal enclosure? That is a recipe for TIG welding. Whatever your welding challenge, EB Industries offers the complete package to make your project a success. Engineering services, pre- and post-welding services, electron beam, laser, and TIG welding. EB Industries. As a center for engineering excellence, we bring expertise to the extreme to every project. Visit ebindustries.com or call 1-631-293-8565 and let's solve your challenges.